In this video, we show you step by step how to safely unpack the medi-matic 115.9 examination chair and prepare it for its first use. The chair is delivered in a wooden box. First, loosen all the screws on the box to open it. Then lift off the lid of the wooden box and remove the side walls. Then, remove the remaining packaging material directly from the chair. Attention! Ensure that the chair is locked. Then, loosen the screws on the pallet. Now, remove the cover. Next, loosen the screws that secure the chair to the pallet. Now remove the enclosed threaded rod and the corresponding counterpart from the packaging. Screw the threaded rod into the designated opening on the pallet. Then attach the counterpart under the pallet to the threaded rod. Now, lift the pallet slightly to remove the wooden blocks. Now remove the blocks from the pallet. Then lower the pallet completely using the threaded rod. It will then serve as a ramp to lower the chair safely. Hold the loops of the chair firmly and release the brakes. Carefully lower the chair down the ramp. Then remove the loops completely. Now, remove the hand control from the foil and insert it into the designated holder. Also, remove the protective foil from the display. Now open the box containing the foot control and the documentation. Take out the foot control and attach it to the chair. Then, replace the large cover. The corresponding screws are already attached in the appropriate place. Now attach the remaining covers. Make sure to remove all protective films completely beforehand. The next step is to attach the back cushion to the chair, followed by the headrest cushion. Mount the gas spring for the backrest adjustment. Attach the bracket with the heel pointing towards the center of the chair. Screw the bracket onto the backrest cushion and then attach the pre-assembled gas spring. Then check that it is working properly. The backrest cushion can now be adjusted. Next, attach the seat cushion to the chair. Then attach the cushion to the headrest. Now, attach the leg holders to the designated bracket on the chair. Remove the foil from the rinsing basin. The chair can now be switched on and is fully ready for use. The final step is to attach the protective covers to the leg holders.